This next experiment is pretty impressive and will explain why we get influenced so easily. In Belgium, researchers brought a group of people together and showed them a picture of a household object, but with a different background image. They divided the people into 3 groups. In the background picture of the first group, there was a single person standing alone. The second group's background picture had 2 people standing next to each other separately. Finally, in the third group's background picture, there were 2 people standing shoulder to shoulder. Now, during the experiment, researchers stood up and accidentally dropped several items on the floor in order to find out who of these 3 groups would get down on their knees and help. Both from the first and second groups, only 20% of people helped. But the results were 3 times higher in the third group, who had a background image of 2 people standing shoulder to shoulder. Now, this isn't the most interesting part of the experiment. The most interesting part is that the subjects of this experiment were only 18-month-old children who had no logical reasoning and could barely talk. This experiment proves how primitive and fundamental this process is, and why subconsciously every single one of us can easily be influenced.